Hi everyone, in today's show I'm gonna have a rant about a Bandai kit. What kit is that? Talk about it after this. Hi everyone, welcome to another Kek Pala modeling show. It's Kek here. Today's I'm gonna talk about this kit here, which I'm building. It's a Bandai 144 scale RG Zeta Gundam. Now, the kit is actually very good. I actually like building it because you can see the legs are well done and even have some color separation there, different grades, and it's really nice. Overall, working out alright. But by the time I get to the point where I need to put the body into the kit here, which apparently I need to go through the head, I have problems. And I can't really fit the head through, and I know I need to lift that front part and have it come down, but it's just not coming through firmly, and for a while I feel like the head is just so big and it just couldn't fit through. According to the manual, I'm supposed to snap the torso to the back of the frame, then bend the front section around so it can cover the front, but the head seems to be getting in the way quite a bit, that's why I couldn't do it. Now the other complaint I have is with the antenna and the other yellow parts. The whole thing seems to be very loose like this. As from the menu, the antenna is supposed to sit in the gap between the main head part and the red bit. There is nothing like a clip to hold it in place. It's very strange, it's not a common ploy of Bandai assembly, and without anything sort of lock it in place, the antenna can move around freely, but not the way I would prefer. It means that it can easily come loose and prone to loss, which I really don't want to happen. Apart from these two issues, the build is not too bad in other areas. The articulation is good. You can see the leg bend really well, which is some hallmark of an RG kit. And the arm, I can do a full 180 degrees, which is great. The skirts are okay too. I mean, I have a RG RX-78 and the armored pieces keep coming off to no end.
A few moments later.
Oh, after hours of struggles, I have finally got the torso done. I know if I look at it from the side, it's still not fully assembled. You can see the gaps there, and there are various pieces that I think I need to clip onto something, and I still couldn't figure out how, but at least it looks a little bit more like a Zeta Gundam. So anyway, if you have built this kit before, what did you think? Did you experience any issue like I do? Or did it all work fine for you? Drop me a comment if you can. I would like to hear from you too. Thank you. And thanks for watching this show, and I hope to see you again soon. Now, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. Hopefully see you again in 2 weeks' time. Bye!